It's currently 7 p.m. on a weekday here in Korea. Over there, you can see a trash can. There's a sign on it. Let's take a closer look. It says, illegal waste disposal will be reported. Next, I see a warning sign on the subway doors. Mind the gap. Make sure you don't step in the gap between the train and the platform. Oh, what's this pink circle sticker on the right? This is the section with seats reserved for pregnant women. Inside this car, you'll find pink seats. If you're in this section, please leave these seats available for expectant mothers. Now let's move forward. Here's a positive message. Have a great day. And below it, there's an emergency exit sign. It's important to know where the emergency exits are located in case of a situation. We're heading out now. You can see some stairs ahead. The arrows on the signs indicate the direction to the exits. Also, make sure to check the exit number, which is usually shown inside a circle. This helps you know which side of the station to leave from. Here we have the subway route map. By looking at this, you can figure out which direction you're heading. Be sure to follow the arrows carefully so you don't get on the wrong train. Now let's go down these stairs. There's a sign that says, "Watch your step." It looks like there's a slight height difference at the last step, so be careful. As we continue down, you'll notice more signs pointing to the exits. Here's a sign that says General Information. If you're unsure about anything, feel free to enter the office and ask the staff for help. We're now approaching the ticket gates. To exit, use the area marked by the green arrow. Tap your card at the top, push the gate, and you're out. In recent years, Korean subway stations have introduced smart libraries. You can borrow and return books using this monitor screen. Pretty convenient, right? If you need to buy or recharge a transportation card, you can use these machines here. Let me show you how it works. First, select your destination on the far left screen. Then, choose the number of tickets you want to buy. Below that, you'll see places to insert your ID card, recharge your transportation card, and slots for bills and coins. So, we've explored the subway station together. It wasn't too difficult, right? Be sure to visit Korea soon.